In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your Facebook group. Hi everyone, welcome back to METV. So maybe you've changed companies or got a promotion or just want to change the name of your team and you want your group name to reflect. So I'm going to show you how to change the name of your group in just a few short steps because it's really easy. The first thing you're going to do is locate your name up here on the upper left-hand column when you're looking at your page. Then right below this large cover photo, you're going to find the More button on this menu taskbar. Click on the More button, and once you do that, scroll down to the Edit Group Settings. Click on that, and you're going to see a box pop up. This is where you type in your new group name. Once you've done that, you can even come over here to this box next to the where you typed your new group name and look for an icon that better represents your group. And then make sure to save everything by scrolling down and clicking the Save button so you don't lose any of your changes. And I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my page. And there you go. You have a new group name. It was just that easy. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It sure does help my channel. Don't forget to say hi in the comments because I would love to hear from you. And before you leave, subscribe so that you can watch more METV videos. I've left all of my social media handles in the description bar below and I can't wait to connect. Once again, thanks for watching.